Hey guys, it's Nunu, and today is March 11th, 2020, and I have a super important announcement to make for you. This English 127 class is going to become an online class effective immediately, March 11th, 2020, today. Now, why is that occurring? The Chancellor of Los Angeles Community College District wants to avoid an outbreak of the coronavirus on any of the 9 LACCD campuses, and so all of the campus classes are becoming online classes. Now, I don't want you to worry about anything. I'm an experienced online instructor, and I promise you'll be okay, so don't freak out, okay? Your grade's going to be fine. I will miss seeing you every day, but I'm going to see you through your writing, and that will be great. The important thing to remember in our Canvas online shell, which is now our online class, fully online, is modules. Modules will be our class Bible, and we are in week 5 in modules, and all you need to do is click on modules. I'll have a link to modules in home, and go into week 5 and do the assignments that are there. I'm working hard right now. I'm in the process of turning all of our assignments that we would normally complete in our campus class into online assignments, and I'll be done with that by Sunday. So don't worry about anything. Everything will be great. I'll miss seeing you. I really liked putting faces to the names of writers I knew, such as Frida, a great writer, and the other writers in this class. You can be fully in touch with me via Skype. My Skype number is listed in the syllabus and also in the inbox in the left menu in our Canvas class. So I don't want you to worry about anything. I'm going to update all our grades this week. I'm going to turn every assignment into an online assignment, and all you need to do for now is just simply go into week 5 in modules in the left menu in our class and start doing the work there. Be sure to read the directions very, very carefully for any assignments, okay? And if you have any questions or concerns, I am in inbox. These are strange times, and I want to make this transition as easy as possible for you, all of us working online together, but I think it'll be a lively class. And I had the privilege, the pleasure of meeting all of you face to face. I feel I know you as writers. I have an understanding of you, and that's great. I will be making frequent videos for you every week to guide you in this class. So don't worry about anything. We're going to be okay. All right. And hopefully nobody will get the coronavirus. And by the way, my son, Jose, is fine. He doesn't have the coronavirus. He spiked a high fever and had a sore throat. And I was panicking a little bit on Tuesday when I called off class. But he's great. He's running around and causing trouble as usual. Okay, so we are in week 5 in modules, and I'm here for you. Don't worry about a thing. It'll all be okay. All right, let's get started in week 5.